Welcome to week one. My name is Kent Mesland, and I will be your guide and cheerleader as we navigate through this course. Our objective this week is to explore the options for recording eating habits and activity levels. You will select the technology that you're most comfortable using. In other words, I'd like you to explore some websites and perform some searches of your own using your preferred search engine. Then I want you to decide which method you will use for recording calories you eat and your activity level so you can determine if you are eating the right amount of food for you. Throughout the course, if you hear me refer to technology, I'm talking about the tools that you use to record the calories and activity. Because technology is the application of tools and knowledge for practical purposes. So this week, your goals are to explore different technologies and applications. You'll provide with a couple of options, but I encourage you to search for applications and to experiment. When you find a tool that you like, you're going to practice using it. And then you will respond to a few questions that I have posed in the discussion forum. To help your peers, I'm asking that you also respond to at least one of them. Lastly, you're going to complete a short survey assignment followed by a short reflection of why this technology works for you. If you don't like to write, you have the option of posting a video in the discussion forum for your reflections. You can record your videos on a phone or a computer and upload them. If you need further instructions on the process, I'll be conducting weekly WebEx conferences on Tuesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. These conferences are optional and you do not need to attend. So don't worry, you're not locked into using any kind of technology or application. You may find a different tool next week that you like better. Feel free to switch between them, even if you switch every few days. The idea is to discover which technology and/or application works best for you. Being able to consistently record your eating and activity levels is the key to living a healthier life. So here's the timelines and activities to complete this week. First, you need to post an introduction. We want to learn a little bit about you. Then, watch the video or read the transcript posted under the video. Attend the optional WebEx meetings, Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That's where you can actually talk to me or interact with me via chat, real time, like a real classroom, like a real traditional classroom. Then you need to review the web links, and these links are provided as possible ways for you to track your calories and activities. It's just suggestions. They are not something that you have to do, you have to choose from. Because I want you to do your own web search and research several technologies to record your caloric intake and activity. You may find something that works better than what I provided. Then, I want you to post in the technology discussion post in response to the provided prompts and respond to at least one of your peers. I'm asking you to share what you found and why you like it. I'd like you to, throughout the course of the week, record the foods that you eat and estimate the calories by recording the calories that you eat for 3 consecutive days and dividing that number by 3. That'll give you an average of what you eat during the day. Make sure you record those drinking calories too, the sodas that you drink as well. Complete the week 1 assignment, which is a short survey that I will be using to gauge where you are and make any adjustments to the course that I need to make. Reflect on the caloric intake and what you learned in your chosen technology tools. This reflection journal is a chance to solidify what you've learned in your memory and to explore questions that you feel still need to be answered. Next week, I will be summarizing what everyone discovered this week at the beginning of the lesson. So I'll see you in the WebEx Tuesday night. If you choose to attend, it's optional. It's not mandatory. And in the video next week, I'll summarize what we learned collectively as a group this week. Have a great week.